So here we go. Forwards, backwards, left, right, and we do have proportional throttle. Yeah, well, it works. It's not blisteringly fast. I didn't expect it to be. It's quite quiet, isn't it? Got wheel spin. Let's have a little look at that. Yeah, that's a bit clever. Either the clutch is already damaged on it, or it's deliberately got slipping clutch or slipping differential, because I can we see that? Oh, there we are, I can see that. So both wheels turning, hold one still, the other one still turns. Hold that one still. Can we see that? That's a nice little touch, really. No idea if it's supposed to do that, and I'm not going to worry about it, because I couldn't get that gearbox apart, if you remember, in the original video. So, yeah. And we can't demonstrate the lights because that receiver doesn't have a lights function on it. So what happens if I give it full power? It takes off very gently. You know, I don't think that clutch is supposed to slip like that. It might be, but I'd be surprised. We'd have to find somebody who's got a working model, wouldn't we, to find out? Yeah, so A little bit disappointing, to be honest. I wasn't expecting much. As I say, it's toy grade. It might look lovely, bright orange with quite a bit of detail in there, but that's the standard batteries in there. I'm not running it on anything too excessive. So there you go, you've seen it run now. Turning circles awful. Yeah, that'll have to do. Yeah, that'll do. Pose for the thumbnail, I suppose. What do you want? Something like that. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.